Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to another episode of Yardman's Try.
Yeah.
Before we get into what we're trying today, I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't.
Yes.
Please also, when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell.
Notice when we drop video.
That's right. Also, if you have enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give us a like, hit the thumbs up button. Also, we have a lot of videos on the channel, something for everybody. So go ahead and check out
as well.
our playlist and our previous videos, so you can find something that you like. Also, I have to drop in say, me have another channel called Just Debbie Marie that I'd love for you guys to go ahead and subscribe to as well.
About her.
All the links will be in the description, so it will be easy for you to access all of what I just said a while ago.
Yeah, for real.
So, what are we doing today?
Alright, so guys, today we are trying out the Fosca oat milk. They launched this new product a couple of month or 2 or 3 ago. So you know we're well late on it. So we said we're gonna give it a try. Fosca oats, it should be a healthy option of milk. So if you're lactose like myself, I am lactose, so I can't drink regular milk. If I do drink regular milk,
not that he can't, but he does.
But if I do drink regular milk, it affects my stomach and you know the flatulence and all of those things. Fat.
Trust me, it's not nice.
Yeah, so
I know.
this should be a good option. We normally buy the Las Colosai oats, the almond flavor. I like that one. So with this now, you know, it's an option that we can look into. It's more expensive than the powdered milk.
Do you remember how much it was?
It's around 500 plus. Don't quote me on that.
How much is in it? It is 1 liter.
Yeah, 1 liter oat. I am a fan of oats. I like raw oats. I would blend it in
Fosca,
cold. Yeah, we buy a lot of Fosca oats. Actually, yeah, for real. What was I saying? Right. So I like oats. I like it raw. I like it when blended as a cold, but I don't like warm oats. I don't like it warm. For
so you
some
don't
reason.
like oats porridge?
No, I don't like oats porridge. I'd rather eat it raw or blend it raw. But when it come on to the warm oats porridge thing, and I mean that it kind of have this little slimy vibe about it that I just don't.
Slimy?
To me, that's how it is. So you know, I just don't like warm oats. But with oats, they should have a distinct taste. Because oats normally have a distinct taste. So we're going to try it and tell you our thoughts on it.
Yeah, I just wanted to also tell you guys some of the health benefits based on the internet that it says about oat milk, because I know a lot of people these days are shying away from cow's milk or even whole milk, them trying to do 1% low fat, is that. So the health benefits are that it is vegan as well as lactose, which Sean mentioned. It's soy and nut free, so I guess if you have a nut allergy as well, if you're vegan, if you're lactose like you, this is an option for you if you want to have some kind of milk. Although how can it be milk if it's not from a cow? Anyway, I want to get to me and say
it have that sorry, you're more yellow, white, that white kind of milk is normally white. So they're saying it's milk because it's white.
I guess.
Normally white.
They also said that oat milk is a good source of vitamin B. Vitamin B helps with things like your stress level, anxiety, your mood, them something there. It helps with your skin, hair, and nails. And it says that it may also lower blood cholesterol, which I'm not surprised about, because they always suggest that if you have cholesterol issues or if you have high cholesterol, they suggest that you actually eat oatmeal. They suggest oats as a good source of helping you keep your cholesterol in check. So yeah, I'm not surprised about that. On it actually says that it's low fat, it has no artificial flavors or preservatives, and it's suitable for vegetarians and vegans. I just want to look at the nutrition facts. The serving size is 100 milliliters. And that's about 40 calories if you're watching the calories or anything like that. The total fat is 1.2 grams. No trans fats, no cholesterol. Carbohydrate is 8.7 grams. Fiber is 0.1, sugars 8.7, and it doesn't include any added sugars, and it has less than 1 gram of protein per serving. So that's just to give you an idea of the nutritional value in the oat milk. Now, as you can see, Sean poured it out already.
It does have that oat-like color.
Oh, you know, it's not like the smell. Why did I smell it?
It's not completely white, so
yeah, it's more creamy. Cream in color, not creamy in texture, but creamy in color. So we'll put in shares.
taste is very bland. It's
does taste like oats.
not.
I guess I'm not
that-
used to.
It don't have that oat taste to me.
It does have
Not
that
to me.
oat taste.
Not to me.
Meaning, if you eat oats, if you just soak oats and eat it by itself without no lasoy or no added sugar or whatever, it does taste like oats to me. This is exactly how I feel like oats boiled in water or something with no
It's
vanilla, no cinnamon.
It's
no
not too
other
sweet.
taste.
It's really fresh. I mean, it does have that oat essence in it, but
It's just a little bit different, especially if you're not used to drinking it. I honestly prefer the aftertaste more than the taste of it going down. Like, now that I've had it, like the taste in my mouth is nice, but
Okay.
drinking it tastes a little, I don't know. It have a little wheaty kind of taste too, and a little corny kind of taste. You know when you boil corn and you have the corn water, it kind of have a little taste like that too.
I don't know. My tongue must tired or something. I don't know.
But I don't know.
But
I guess if you're used to drinking oatmeal, if you're like you have gluten, whatever it is, probably
Right.
not gluten. Sorry, don't quote me on that. Yeah, if you're lactose and vegan or whatever, probably you're used to it. And first time you ever try oat milk and different.
Alright, so let us try it in cereal to see if it will taste different
Yeah.
with the cereal mix. We normally eat plain cereal without the the sweets and all of that. So let us try it in cereal and see how it tastes. So
Right.
we'll be right back. Alright people, so
We have
we have the
our-
cereal
Or red and white, regular, no
Yeah.
sweet cornflakes,
and
and we have
some sliced almonds.
almonds in there as well.
Almonds.
Which is please ignore him, which is what we usually eat if we eat in cereal. We find that, I don't know, it bring it off a little more if we add almonds, so that's why we add almonds here.
Milk.
All right, that's enough for me, thank you. Yeah, I'd say too, it seems to be a lot more light than regular milk, I guess, in like texture. I have to make stir it around little, make all the little flakes and the little slices get little milk. You know that I like it with the cornflakes, not by itself. Not well, let me not say it tastes bad by itself, but it was just a different kind of taste by itself. But with the cereal, I mean, it's not bad.
I'm eating it because I don't want to waste, right? But it just tastes like me drink water and cereal, to be honest.
No,
Yep.
I taste the oat flavor. I don't know.
Like I eat water
I like
and
it in the cereal.
I'm more tasting the cornflakes and the almonds than the milk itself.
Do you think so? I feel like you're tasting the milk.
Just like water, people. With the cereal, just like water. You have
I
to
don't
put
think so. I think it can
you have to add a little sugar to it if you want it sweeter. Or a little condensed milk, but no sir, it's fresh.
But then condensed milk will defeat the whole purpose of drinking
True.
oat milk.
So if you're going this route, I'm getting the oat milk to eat with cereal and such, boy, put little sugar in it.
I don't think so. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Like, I could eat a bowl of this by itself. Maybe I'd add some cinnamon and some vanilla, but I think I could eat it by itself.
Have like some cinnamon, or like some, yeah, some cinnamon or some vanilla extra.
And I mean, when we're eating cereal regularly, that's how we eat it. We do add cinnamon and add vanilla as well. And add like oatmeal and then have our cornflakes as well as the almond slices. So
Yeah, probably we could even try it in smoothies as well. We're normally blend like oats.
they actually have a recipe.
Right, there's a recipe on the back of the
Yeah,
packet.
banana oat smoothie.
You could make some smoothie with it as well, with banana and oats and such. So probably that will definitely work. But for me with the
I think it
cereal, no. But really and truly, people, it is a fresh option. It is a healthier option if you're going that route. But if you like your beverage is sweet, especially milk, it have a distinct taste. This is not for me. It is not something that I would buy in the supermarket, especially for the price. So I'll definitely stick to my Fosca. Sorry, my Lasco.
We eat Fosca also. That's
My
what I'm saying.
my Lasco. Lasai almond milk. But this is definitely a good option for those who are trying to go that route of healthy and
You should probably try.
Cut down the
You
dairy.
should probably try to do that since you're lactose.
I am lactose, but I won't be buying this. As I say, I'm sticking to my Las Colas soy.
But I don't think that's good for you.
What, the Las Colas soy?
I don't think soy is good for people who have lactose.
I mean, it doesn't affect me, so
That's what
doesn't
you want to
affect
say.
me. Doesn't affect me. But people, we tried it.
Oh, I wanted to say that if you're somebody who likes banana, you could probably cut up some banana and put in your cereal just to give it a little bit more flavor. Because you know, banana has a very sweet and potent taste. So maybe that could also help if you don't want to like vanilla or whatever. Probably you could eat banana with it.
To me, even the aftertaste, I just taste in the cornflakes and the almonds.
It's not bad.
It
In the
not,
cereal.
It not give me a vibe at all. For Dev, yeah, but so what would you give it as a rating?
For what it is and what it's supposed to do, I'd give it a halfway thumb. The taste is not that bad. I normally do not drink regular cow's milk by itself. I don't like the taste of cow's milk by itself, but I will eat cow's milk in a smoothie. I will eat cow's milk in cereal. So
I mean,
it's okay.
when I was young, I would just drink cow's milk. Like cow's milk was
Never
like
liked cow's milk
nice,
like that.
but for me, this option, boy, the healthy option things can kind of, boy, I don't know.
I think
But-
it's something you have to just get used
Yeah,
to. That's
yeah,
how I
over time, you can
Because
get
if
used to
people
it.
have like lactose and whatever, and this is the only option, they have no choice but to get used to it. You know what I mean?
True.
And make it work for
It's
them.
sad, but that's how it
Yeah.
go. But for me, I will definitely give it a thumbs down. I'm not there as yet with the flavor. Trust me, it is very fresh. It is very, very fresh. I mean, what Fosca could do is have other options in the line. So they could come out with a oat milk, vanilla, oat milk, almond. You understand? I think if they have that in the line, I would definitely buy like the almond or the vanilla flavor or type. So they could
But I
definitely
think
look into that.
you know why I think that they have this line, because say if you're allergic to nuts, for instance, the almond thing wouldn't work. But I guess
True.
they could have this along with others, as you were saying.
Almond
So if you're
and-
allergic to nuts, or if you're not allergic to nuts, you can try the almond or the vanilla or whatever. Because I do know there is another brand of almond milk that has different flavors. I think it's called
Silk.
Silk. And they have like a vanilla flavor. I think they have a chocolate. I think they have a sweetened and unsweetened.
Right.
But I guess they're just trying to test the market to
True.
see, feel it out, to see if people like it, yes or
Well,
no.
Fosca, please add other lines to it.
You gonna buy it?
Niche. I would buy the almond and the vanilla if
Mark
it
his
is
words.
there.
Mark his words.
Yes, even if the price is $500+, I would buy it and still have it in my fridge as an option to drink
Okay.
by itself. So that is something that you guys can look into. That is recommended by me, by us.
By you. I'm saying I bad people.
But people, yeah, it's definitely worth a try if you're going that option, that route of healthy non-dairy product. The Fosca oat milk is on the market, and
Yeah.
it's
And I'm glad that it's a more, because I think
and it is
even
local as well. It is local. It makes
That's
it a
what I was gonna
Jamaican
say.
product. Support the Jamaican thing.
Yeah.
Let me see if it says made in Jamaica.
it's a product of the UK, but manufactured for Caribbean Foods Limited, Spanish Town, Jamaica. But I mean, I think Fosca is a name that a lot of people know, like a lot of us Jamaicans out here grow up with and know, especially for the oats. You know what I mean? So I feel like it's a more familiar brand, And is it cheaper than the other oat milk that they have?
It is cheaper. When I was looking at the price,
And
it
I
is
think
cheaper.
oat milk, like there's probably only 2 or 3 selections that I have seen personally in Jamaica. This included. So I mean, it's a good option. People always need to have options when they're buying.
That's true,
So I
that's
mean,
true.
kudos to you, Fosca.
Big up on yourself. But it's again, I should take that back. It is not a local product. It is made in the UK, but it is produced
Made
for Fosca oats. So, boy, yeah. Yeah. But guys, thank you for watching another episode of Yardman's Tries. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have tried the oat milk before. Let us know what your thoughts are about it. Yes. Boy, it's out a road.
Yeah. I even saw somebody tweet about it. I'm not even going to tell you what the tweet said, but I was just like, bruh. But it's not as bad as the person was describing, to be honest.
Yeah.
To me, but maybe to Sean,
I don't like it, but when Devon showed me the tweet, I was like, okay, well, let us try it and see what it's all about.
And do you think the tweet was right?
In terms of the person saying something about vanilla, I'm not tasting the vanilla, so
No.
yeah.
Well, yeah. So thank you guys for watching another episode.
Remember to like, subscribe, share,
comment,
and hit the notification bell, as well.
all those stuff. Also, if there's any other product that you see that's new in your supermarket or whatever, and you'd like us to try it, or somewhere that we can go to within the lockdown and whatever restrictions, COVID restrictions, please let us know.
You know, I think True Juice have a almond milk.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe we could try that.
Yeah,
but yeah,
in the
leave your
next episode we'll try
suggestions.
that.
Leave your suggestions in the comment below, and we'll try our best to find the items.
Yes, guys.
And share them with you guys here on Yardbins.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.